Hey, it's JJ from BrawBeard, and today we're going to be talking about beard oil, why you use it, and what it does. When we meet bearded men, if they're not familiar with beard grooming, we always get asked the question, what does beard oil do? At events in the past, we've been laughed at by guys who refuse to try beard oil. They think it's some sort of snake oil, a gimmick, or maybe they're just too manly for it. Quite often though, their partner will pressure them into giving the beard oil a try. After just one application, the guy will notice a benefit, notice a difference, and the partner notices too. That scenario has happened a few times at the BrawBeard stand at events. And those who were hesitant to try the beard oil at first, once they've tried it, they became customers, and they are still customers to this day. As we said before, beard care products are not essential, but they are highly beneficial. So what does beard oil do? Beard oil is a natural facial hair conditioner. Our beard oils are 100% natural, and their ingredients are chosen for their beneficial properties. This product is designed to moisturise the hair and the skin underneath, to soothe irritation, reduce dandruff, or beard rough as it's known in the industry. Beard oil is used to make your facial hair feel softer, smoother, more manageable, and more attractive looking. Plus, BrawBeard oils do smell amazing. If you've never used BrawBeard oil before, you will notice a huge benefit after just one application. So, why would you use it? Would you be happy getting close to someone knowing that their head is flaking dandruff everywhere? No. Well, it's the same with your facial hair. You want that thing nice, smooth, clean, flake-free. No one wants to snuggle a furry snowstorm. When growing a beard, you may have experienced dry skin, irritation, beard rough. This is usually enough for someone to shave their facial hair off. By using the correct beard care products, all of that can be dealt with easily. If you have a new car or a bike, you look after it. You want to keep that thing clean because you're proud of it and you want to show it off. Why should the hair sitting on your face be any different? Treat it with care. So, how often do you apply beard oil without overdoing it? Well, to start off, I recommend dispensing just a few drops of beard oil, around the size of a 5p piece into the palm of your hand, or the size of a dime for our American friends. That is a good amount of oil for most sizes of beards. Beard oil is not water based, so it does not evaporate. It gets absorbed by the skin and the hair. For that reason, you don't want to apply too much in the beginning because it will leave the pores blocked, skin feeling greasy, and it's a perfect ground for spots. So the best bet is to start off small and add more if needed. Let's say for a beard stubble to 1 cm in length. If you're just starting off on your beard journey, I'd recommend using 3 to 4 drops of beard oil for that length, maybe in between stubble and 1 cm. That will ensure enough coverage to condition the hair. And the next stage up, I would say maybe between 1 cm and 8 cm in length. This is the most popular range for beards at the moment. For this length, I would recommend dispensing a few drops in the palm of your hand until you have roughly the size of maybe a 10p piece or a quarter, again for American friends. That should be enough to cover your facial hair nicely. So 8 cm and longer in length, this is where it comes down to personal preference. At the moment, my beard is about 12 inches long. I use maybe the size of a 2p piece worth of beard oil, just a few drops in, get a puddle there, and that gets me the ideal look and feel for me. For you though, it may take some experimentation to get the right amount. It isn't an exact science, it's personal preference. So yeah, just start off small, few drops, and build up gradually until you get to where you're happy with, until it feels nice and soft, and not greasy. BrawBeard oils are all natural, they do not leave your beard greasy, so if it does feel greasy, you've went too far. Just dial it back a little bit and experiment that way. Anyway, I hope that has helped us explain what beard oil is, what it does, how to apply it. As I say, just a few drops in your hand, rub it in your hands, and then rub it right through, rub it down to the roots, massage it in, twist the tash to the side, pull it to the middle, and you're good to go. Anyway, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate your support. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, leave a comment if you'd like to. I will reply when I can. And if you have any bearded friends that you think will benefit from this video, please do share it. Please do share it online. Your support is appreciated. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.